Back to my channel Admirable Andani Art and Craft. So today I am back with more video. So today in my new video I am gonna show you how to make easy DIY paper envelopes for the gifting purpose, or you can just make some tags and you can just tag in that and you can just gift to someone. So let's get start with the procedure. But before starting, it's my humble request is, guys who didn't subscribe my channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe red button and hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications. And you can just hit the like button and just share the video if you like with your friends, and do comment if you like the video. So let's get started with the procedure without any delay. So today in my new video I am going to tell you how to make envelopes with two methods. So first method I want to tell you this, that take here a square sheet of size 20 by 20 centimeter and just fold like this. You have to just mark the crease in the center, not on whole of the paper. Now this is a crease. Now similarly mark opposite side of the crease again in the center only. Now just open it and just take this end to the center point and take this end to the center point and this end to the center point. Now this part you will not take because this will be the closure of envelope. So now take the bottom part of the triangle and just crease it up to the top point like this. Now just open it again and similarly just fold from the bottom from the both sides. Like this. Now just you fold it into half like this and now take glue or Fevistick, whatever you have at your home, and just add glue on the opposite bottom sides of the triangle. Now just fold it and just stick it like this. Now let it dry for some time. Now it is dried. Now just take the top part, which will be the closer for the video. Just fold it like this and this will be look like this when you will open this. And the envelope is ready. Now just you can take here a message, whatever you want to place inside the envelope, and just you can take the message card according to the size of the envelope. Now take here a heart shape and we will stick here on the closer of the envelope to make it look beautiful. Like this. So the first type of envelope is ready and you can just place it like this. So making a envelope, so take here a A4 size color sheet of any color and just I prefer here to you take bright colors like this and just fold it vertically and mark a crease on a sheet. Now take here a pencil and draw a shape of heart, and I hope that the heart is drawing is visible to you. And now just cut it, and see the heart shape is ready. Now just fold it into half again, and just take here a ruler and pencil and just mark 6 centimeter horizontally. And now just keep the ruler on the points and just mark the crease. So now just open it like this and fold it like this. And now fold it up to these 2 points. And just the envelope is ready. So now the envelope is ready. Now just stick these, add fevi glue or something on these 2 top parts, and just stick the bottom one like this, and press it tightly so that it can stick properly. Now similarly you can just take here any secret message or card, whatever you want to place inside the envelope according to the size, and just fold this like this, and similarly you take here the heart shape and just stick on the opening side of the envelope like this. So I hope you all guys will like the video. So I hope you all guys like the video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and must share this video with your friends, family and relatives. And yes, if you like the video, so hit the like button, subscribe red button, and just share your feedback in the comment section below. And you can also comment down there your request video, that what you want similarly next. So thank you. Till then, bye bye. We will meet in the next video.